So this year in my hutch, I told myself I'd keep it simple, but that was a lie. A festive peppermint scented lie. I can't. I have to do something. It's just not festive enough. This hutch was cute, but today it will become Christmas level cozy. So stick around and see how I turn this plain shelf into a Pinterest-worthy cocoa bar in under an hour. Let's make a cocoa bar that feels like your childhood Christmases. In this video, I will be making some dry hot cocoa mix and the cutest little snowman toppers you ever saw. So stick around to see these fun additions to our cocoa bar. I can't wait to show you all the toppings I have for our hot cocoa bar. One of them is maybe a little ill-fated. A cocoa bar without toppings is just warm chocolate sadness. Candy canes and peppermint chocolate chips make every cocoa taste like Christmas just walked up and hugged you. Every jar gets a little ribbon. It ties everything together, literally. Let's make a dry powder cocoa mix for our cocoa bar. It's so simple. All you need is dry powdered milk, cocoa powder, and sugar. This mix is so simple, but the secret is it actually tastes better than the store packets, and you know exactly what the ingredients are. I'll include the recipe in the description of this video. I love adding greenery and pine cones and little sparkly berries in the hutch. It just brings so much life to this area. If you try this cocoa bar idea, be sure to tag us. We'd love to see it. And if you want more cozy Christmas projects, we have a bunch coming up. Also, you can check out our Christmas home tour. And be sure to subscribe if you want to hang out with us through the holidays and after. Thanks for watching. And these Santa mugs, they come out every December and instantly put everyone in a good mood. These toppings are dangerously good. I'm basically building a dessert buffet disguised as a cocoa bar. Who knew a few jars and ribbons could make this much Christmas magic? Okay, here it is, my cozy Christmas cocoa bar. It smells like chocolate heaven and it looks like Mrs. Claus herself decorated it. Okay, now let's make the snowman. This is the part that makes everyone smile. I used black icing to make the eyes. Then I cut an orange mini M&M in half and used white icing to sort of glue it on. And then I used a black edible marker for the mouth. Some of them I made look like little dots. Some of them I just drew on a smiley face. They look so happy going in the freezer. If only they knew what was about to happen to them in just an hour. Freeze them for an hour and they come out perfect, ready to go right on top of your hot cocoa. Sweet Frosty, let's say a few kind words as we lower him into his warm, chocolatey fate. Thanks for watching.